In this week's Austin Housing Market Report, we're really going to take a look at what's coming this fall. And this is important whether you're a buyer or a seller. We're going to talk more about that next. My name is Jeff Miller. I'm a real estate agent focusing on residential buying and selling in the Austin area and the communities just north of Austin. I also have a little YouTube channel called Exploring Life and Living in Austin, Texas and Beyond. In today's market report, we're going to go over the numbers and then we're going to talk about what this fall is going to look like for both buyers and for sellers. It's super important. Whatever side you're on, this is super important. Today is Friday, October 8th, and let's take a look at the numbers. New houses this week, 997 new houses came on the market this week. We had 573 houses reduce their price this week and 166 houses come back on the market. So our total houses on the market right now, 1,736 homes. I believe that's the highest number of houses I've seen on the market this year. And we've had 33% of those homes reduce their prices, which is also, I've been talking the last few weeks about how 30% was the highest I'd seen all year in price reductions. Well, this week we topped it. 33% of the houses on the market, a third of the houses on the market have reduced their price. Think about that. And then 166 homes are back on the market. That's 9.5%. That's pretty normal. Every week we have about 10% of the homes available are back on the market, fell out of contract, went back on the market. So active under contract this week and pending, we have 1,244 homes that fit that. They're actually under contract. And we have 980 homes that closed this week. So both those are fairly normal. The big news is there's a lot more houses on the market and there's houses staying on the market. So, now when we look back at August, and this is important, I actually printed off August numbers. So in August in the Austin housing area, the median price of homes went up 34.7%. That's August of 2021 compared to August of 2020. Now that sounds like a massive increase. However, in May, June, July, that number was like over 40%. So the house prices are not going up as much as they used to. We have a little leveling. It shows that our number of active listings was down 20%. So we had 20% more listings in August of 2020 than we did in August of 2021. And the days to close, houses closed 22 days faster in August of 2021 than they did in August of 2020. So a lot of interesting numbers to look at. I know that was a lot to go over. You can always hit me up. I will send those numbers to you so you can have those. But let's talk about this fall. What's this fall going to look like? Well, it's pretty straightforward as far as I can see. We've had a little bit of a leveling, not a drop. So if you're a buyer, don't think house prices are going to start tumbling out. I don't think they will. I'm not a magic ball, crystal ball, but I don't think they're going to come tumbling down. However, there is some leveling. There's more houses on the market, like I mentioned. There's more houses that, in all honesty, were overpriced, and so they're going to reduce their prices a little bit, right, to reset to where they should be, and that's going to give buyers a great chance. Now, here's the reality. In conclusion, here's the reality. Buyers who still got to buy houses are going to have to buy them. Sellers who need to sell are going to sell them. So there are opportunities to be had whether you're a buyer or a seller. Right? It's just a matter of pricing the home right or making the right offer, whichever side of that equation you're on. And that comes with facts and details like we just went through. So if I can answer any questions for you or be of any help to you in buying or selling real estate in the greater Austin area, I've got a real strong grasp on the numbers and a real strong grasp on contracts and negotiating and everything that you need to get a successful transaction either side. Please hit me up. The contact information is right there. I would love to help you out. You all have a great weekend.